Children, so in the previous sessions we had discussed 3 of our physics experiments. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the 2 experiments. Okay, so experiment number 13, that is the next physics experiment that you want to do. That you want to write in your record, and that is the experiment related to prism. So first you need to write the objective. And what is the objective? Objective is tracing the path of the rays of light through a glass slab. After that you must write the apparatus. Okay, after aim or objective you need to write the apparatus. So apparatus required, you need to write all the apparatus. Then after that you need to write the theory or concepts, and here you need to write the first 2 concepts 1 and 2. You can mark it in your textbook, and remaining concepts you need to write the remaining concepts, and finally you need to write this point. It has been found that for an equilateral prism, angle of incidence plus angle of emergence is equal to angle of prism plus angle of deviation. So this is enough. Okay, so 3 points are required for concepts or the theory part. First 2 points, and from 6th point you need to write the last one. That is, it has been found that for an equilateral prism, angle of incidence plus angle of emergence is equal to angle of prisms plus angle of deviation. We are going to prove this. Okay, and after that you must write the procedure, and I am not going to explain the procedure because it is well explained in the YouTube link, and everything should be written on the right side. You know that. Aim, apparatus, procedure, everything. Then 13 points are there in procedure. You need to write all the 13 points. Then after that, after procedure, you need to write conclusions, precautions, and from the precautions only 2 points are required. Okay, then after that, sources of error. Okay, sources of error. From the sources of error also only 2 points are required. Only 2 points are there and 2 points are required. Okay, and rest of the things no need to write. And all these things should be written on the right side. Now on the left side, first you need to draw this figure. Then on the left side you must draw the observation table. This is your observation table. Okay, so these are the things that you must include in the prism experiment. So which are the things? Objective, after that apparatus, and from the theory part 2 points, first 2 points and the last point. Okay, after that procedure, and after procedure you need to write conclusions, precautions, sources of error on the right side. On the left side you need to draw this figure. After that, below the figure you can draw the observation table. Leave it vacant. After doing the experiment we can record the readings. Okay, so this is about the prism experiment. Children, next we are going to discuss the experiment number 11. That is tracing the path of the ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence, and interpret the result. So this is the objective or aim. After objective you must write the apparatus. Apparatus, 6 apparatus are there. Write the apparatus, and after that write the concept. And in the concept part you must include the second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, and 7th point. In 7th point you need to write the first line. That is enough. Or part is not required. That is optional part. Okay, so you must include 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 7th point in your theory part. And after theory you must write the procedure. Around 12 points are there in procedure. Okay, and after procedure you must write conclusions, precautions, and sources of error. From precautions and sources of errors include 2 points each. That will be enough. And leave the then draw the tabular column and figure. This diagram should be drawn on the left side, and below the diagram you must draw the table on the left side. Rest of the things should be written on the right side. Okay children, so objective, apparatus, concept or theory, procedure, then conclusions, precautions, sources of error are also there. Sources of error, only 2 points each are required, should be written on the right side. Then on the left side, first you should draw this diagram. Below the diagram, you should draw this table. Okay, so that's all about the prism experiment, and procedures for both the experiments are well explained in the YouTube link that I have uploaded along with my video session. Please go through the YouTube link so you will get an idea about how to perform these experiments. So start writing your record. I hope you might have written first experiments that I have given to you in the previous week. Okay, so this week just copy these 2 experiments into your fair record. Okay children, so with this I am concluding my session. Thank you.